We are discussing about trigonometric identities. The problem is, if sin square x plus sin square y is equal to 1, then the value of sin x plus y is equal to a 1, b 0, c minus 1, d root 3 by 2. Then the solution is sin square x plus sin square y is equal to 1. You have to solve it in less than 20 seconds. You have to solve it in less than 20 seconds. How can you do it? 1. Look at this one. 1 is independent of x and y. This is a very shortcut method. Shortcut method. 1 is independent of x and y. Then we shall try with the value of x and y. Let x, y is equal to x is equal to 0, y is equal to 90 degree. Then what we get? Sin square 0 plus sin square 90. This is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And if you put x is equal to 90 and y is equal to 0, you get the same result. Sin square 90 plus sin square 0. This is also equal to 1. And if you put x is equal to pi by 4, y is equal to pi by 4, then that means sin square pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4, that means 1 by root 2 its square plus 1 by root 2 its square is equal to half plus half is equal to 1. That means 90 degree, 0 degree or pi by 4 or 0 degree 90 degree will satisfy this equation. So you can put x is equal to 0 degree, y is equal to 90 degree. Then your answer will be sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equal to sin 0 plus 90 degree. That means sin 90 degree. That means this is equal to 1. So your answer is 1. If you put sin pi by 4 x plus y means pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that means this is sin pi by 2, that means this is also the value of 1. In this way you can do it in less than 20 seconds. So you have to follow the methods. I have already discussed about this problem in the previous video. If you like this shortcut method, then you can subscribe my channel and also watch it carefully. The next problem is, if a is equal to 2 sin x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x, a is equal to 2 sin x by 1 plus cos x plus 2 plus sin x, then 1 plus sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x is a 1 minus a 0, a 1 minus a 1 plus a. A is equal to 2 sin x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. This a is independent of x. It is a constant. So it is an identity. Any value will satisfy this equation. Then putting x is equal to 0 degree, we get a is equal to 2 sin 0 by 1 plus cos 0 plus sin 0. Sin 0 means 0 and the value of a is 0. Now we put here 1 plus sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x. That means putting x is equal to 0 degree, 1 plus sin 0 minus cos 0 by 1 plus sine 0. That means 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 0. That means this is your 0. Your answer is A. This is a very shortcut method. If there is an option is 1, then what you have to do is that A means 2 sin x by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. Now we put here x is equal to 0 degree. In this case, we put here x is equal to pi by 2. That means 90 degree. Then A is equal to 2 sin pi by 2 by 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. That means 2 by 1 plus 1. 2 by 2, this is equal to 1. And you put here x is equal to 0 degree. 1 plus sin x minus cos x by 1 plus sin x, then 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2 by 1 plus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 means 1, cos pi by 2 0. Then 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, this is 2 by 2, this is equal to 1. So your D and A will be the correct answer.